Welcome to this interactive lesson on common English idioms. Let's dive into some fun and interesting idioms, understand their meanings, and see how we can use them in sentences. Each idiom will be accompanied by an engaging activity to help you practice, followed by a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. Let's get started. 1. Break the ice, meaning to initiate conversation in a social setting. Example: at the start of the meeting, Jenna told a joke to break the ice. Activity: fill in the blank. To start the conversation at the party, I decided to tell a funny story to the ice. 2. A piece of cake, meaning something that is very easy to do. Example: for an experienced chef like Mary, baking a cake is a piece of cake. Activity: matching. Match the idiom with its meaning. A piece of cake or something very easy. 3. Once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. Example: Sam only visits his cousins once in a blue moon. Activity: fill in the blank. Sarah goes camping once in a moon. 4. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed. Example: I had a long day at work, so I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Activity: fill in the blank. After the tiring hike, we decided to hit the 5. Under the weather, meaning feeling ill. Example: Tom couldn't make it to the office today because he is feeling under the weather. Activity: fill in the blank. Jane missed the event because she was feeling under the 6. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision or responsibility to do something now. Example: I've done all I can, so now the ball is in your court. Activity: matching. Match the idiom with its meaning. The ball is in your court or it's your decision. 7. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example: Mike accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Activity: fill in the blank. Don't spill about the surprise gift.